This is Duncan's bunker. I'm going to go in here.
But yeah.
Right then.
So we bought two things along. I'll get them out in the tick. But this is the this is what sends signals to them.
Right. Okay.
So there's a couple of bits on there. This is the actual transceiver, sending and receiving.
Right.
This will take USB, and this sort of chip here samples the USB and turns it into serial, which the processor can understand.
Right. Okay. Yeah.
The idea is that there'll be some kind of situation going on in your machine, and that will just be sending out to here, onto the things. Okay.
And what's this WASIX dot? It's Czechoslovakian.
Where's that?
Just down here.
Oh, that's the people who just kind of make that component.
Oh, okay.
The serial to USB.
And they'll have the software for this, you're saying, yeah?
Oh yeah. I mean, if you want to dig around, that's all online.
Right. Okay.
But what we sort of done is that you can just chuck. There's a certain kind of format of the. It's like a string of numbers.
Right.
You just throw that at this, and then these understand a particular kind of format of.
Right.
And what that format is both of these actually have only got one motor in them. It's a stepping motor.
Yeah.
So this one, well, you can imagine what the motion will be like.
Right.
So they're just kind of like stepping motor is how it works. You just say how many steps you want it to move.
Yes, I understand.
Yeah. Then speed, but that is effectively the pause between each step, and then direction.
Yeah.
So 3 different bits of information.
But the direction's just forward and backwards, basically.
Exactly. Yeah. And the same for this one.
Okay.
This is a bit more of a beast.
You worried, Dunk?
I'm just wondering. Well, it just rolls around the floor, doesn't it?
That's right.
I mean, not that it's a bad thing. I do that quite often myself as well.
Well, maybe you can link yourself to it.
Oh, this looks interesting. Wow, it's like a porcupine, isn't it?
Yeah. So, I mean, what Andy was thinking with this one is that these they don't breathe fire, as someone thought they would do. Yeah. But you could kind of put bits on them. So something which is kind of customizable as maybe a display for knickknacks or for bits and pieces. Who knows?
Rings or something like that, maybe.
And that's the motion.
Yes.
And they're all using these picks.
Right. Okay.
So all that is it has a small program on it, and it's just basically monitoring the pins, all of its pins. Some of them are kind of specific for like analog, so it would be an analog digital converter on it or something. Some of them are kind of nice, good at handling serial communication.
Yes.
But generally they're just looking for voltage on themselves, and they can also generate voltage
as well. Yes. No, I've got. I mean.
Nice.
I've started playing around. If I just skip over you there for a while. I mean, this is what I've sort of had a play around with myself, and it's pretty much the same sort of thing.
Oh, wow.
Really, yeah.
So this is kind of this is like a robot.
Yes.
Let
me just get it.
Is that called the bug or something? Or?
Yeah, bug stamp. That's what it is. And once again, it's programmable as well. It has the stepper motors on it, on 2 and servos. Well, servos. So, I haven't pulled it out for a while. That batteries might be low. So it has the 2 feelers, and obviously it's moving backwards now. Yeah. So, but it'll come back to its cycle, and it's programmable, and it's going to turn.
That's really weird how it turns itself.
Yeah, and then it'll progress on its way again until it triggers it with the feelers, and then come back again, and then turn the other direction. Yeah.
I like the way the serial port is its anus.
But that's basically the same sort of pick, really, isn't it?
Yep.
In time.
It might even be a pick.
Yeah. And it's got a co-processor there which runs the most of the running of the turbo control.
Oh, cool.
Here he goes. He's gonna have a fight with Roller.
It hates them. It sees them as some kind of rival.
Yeah.